Get acquainted with the 2023 Hyundai Santa Cruz. Answer the call to adventure in high-tech comfort in this sophisticated Santa Cruz. Open bed utility and a composed upscale cabin make this a uniquely versatile and satisfying vehicle. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder engine, lane keeping assist, backup camera, alarm, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, 8-speed AT, traction control, daytime running lights. Don't skimp on comfort to get the utility you need. Get the best of both worlds in this impressive Santa Cruz. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.